Hey there, home cooks. Looking for a super easy and healthy drink? Let's dive into making fresh carrot juice. First up, grab 4-6 medium carrots. Wash and peel them, then chop into small pieces. If you want to spice things up, have an apple, ginger, or celery on hand. Now toss the carrot pieces into your juicer or blender. Add 1/2 cup of water. Blend or juice until smooth. We want to get as much juice out as possible. Next, strain the juice through a cheesecloth, fine mesh sieve, or even a coffee filter. This will get rid of the pulp and sediment. If you're feeling adventurous, add that apple, ginger, or celery juice. Give it a good stir. Serve immediately for the freshest taste, or store it in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Quick tips: use fresh organic carrots for the best flavor. Adjust the water to get the consistency you like. Don't overblend or it might get foamy and bitter. And a pinch of salt can really bring out the flavors. Carrot juice isn't just tasty, it's packed with benefits. Loaded with vitamin A and antioxidants, it supports healthy vision, a strong immune system, and glowing skin. It can even help with digestion and reduce inflammation. Plus, it supports healthy hair and nail growth. If you're new to carrot juice, start small with about 1/2 cup. Gradually increase as you get used to the taste. Enjoy your fresh homemade carrot juice. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty tips. Catch you next time.